Hello, 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 everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Patrice, and this is my embellished life. So, Simplicity had a sale, and I bought some patterns. So, if that's something you want to see, let's get in it. Yes, guys, yes, I got some patterns. Now, Simplicity had a pattern sale on the Vogue, Butterick, and McCall's. And I purchased some Butterick patterns, all in PDF format. As much as I love, the hard copy, I must admit that there's something about getting the PDF pattern. I think it's because it's just instant and I get it. Don't worry, I'll be crying tears later. But yes, I got the some Butterick patterns all in PDF format. So that's what I'm going to share with you today. So the first pattern that I purchased, it's Butterick 6410. And guys, let me just deviate just for a quick moment so you can see how I store my PDF patterns. So what I do, I usually print off the front of the pattern and stick it on an envelope. And currently, there's just the instructions. That's I can't get it out. Currently, there's just the instructions that's in the envelope. Of course, when I print off the pattern, it will be stored in here as well. But that's what I do. I just print it off, put the instructions in the envelope, and then put it in my pattern box, just so that I know that I have the pattern. Because if I keep it on the computer, I wouldn't go back to check to see what I have. And I've bought multiple patterns because of that. Multiple of the same patterns, I should say. Yes. So, yes, 6410. Let's get back to the task at hand. So, yes, I've showed you guys this pattern already because it's a part of my office wardrobe that I'm about to sew up. And by now, I'm assuming that you would have already seen the pattern review on this pattern. So yes, this is the first pattern that I've purchased, and it has multiple views A, B, and C, and the difference between all of the views is I would say the sleeves. View A is sleeveless and it has a collar, which I absolutely love, and I am going to sew this version up. View B is short sleeves, and view C is long sleeve. I don't think I'll ever venture in the long sleeve because I don't like long sleeves. But view B and A most definitely, and I'm currently preparing view B right now to sew up. And with this pattern, I just absolutely love the color blocking. You guys know I love color blocking and matching different fabrics together. So yes, this is the first pattern, 6410, and I am expecting good news from this pattern. But we'll see. You guys know that I have all of these shenanigans. The second pattern that I picked up is Butterick 6332. And it's a Butterick lifestyle wardrobe pattern. And I'm absolutely excited that I have this pattern. And even though I've shown the potential patterns for my office wear, I am still going to slide this pattern in because I like it. I love it. I'm just saying. Now, you guys know with the lifestyle wardrobe patterns, you get different types of pattern variations in the one pattern, and that's something that I love about the lifestyle patterns. One pattern, multiple looks, very economical. So the view that I want to do, oh my goodness, I love all the views. Even though I'm not a blazer person, this pattern makes me want to sew up this blazer. But for now, the view that I do want view B, which is the dress. It's afford me to do some color blocking as well. Love it. And I also want to do the skirt, the skirt as well. Maybe I'll do the skirt and trousers. No, not the trouser, the skirt and blazer. Maybe I might do that. I'm still thinking whether or not I should, but definitely view B. That's the view that I'm currently interested in. Yes. The third pattern that I got is B6948. Now this is not a part of my office wear series that I'm doing, but I just love this pattern. And the reason that I love this pattern is actually for view B. Where am I going to wear this sleeveless coat? I don't know, but I am going to figure it out. I think coming on like in maybe, well, this is actually the time of the year that we are entering in where it's more cooler. I think I might do it maybe like in an Ankara. Ooh, Ankara would be nice to put this in. Yes, I'm going in my Ankara stash soon. But yes, an Ankara, I think, or maybe a denim would be good, but that's the view that I purposely bought this pattern for, view B, and that's Butterick 6948. The next pattern, it's B6944, and it's a trouser pattern that comes in multiple views A to D, and the difference is the length. So the type of trouser is a slim fitted trouser. So view A, it's below the ankle. View B, it's I would say shin length. View C at the knee, and view D above the knee. Um, when I first bought this pattern, to be honest, I bought it for views A and view D. Obviously, for view D, I might take it just maybe an inch or so shorter if I when I decide to do this view. But at the time, I was actually thinking about making some more trousers to wear with my polos for work. So this is one of the reasons that I got this pattern. I think also as well, if I'm not mistaken, I want to say that Rochelle from Rochelle Handmade Designs. I want to I want to say, now don't quote me now, but I want to think that she did this pattern in view D. I want to think that. I want to say that, but don't quote me. But if she's done it, there will definitely be a video up on her YouTube channel. But I want to think that Rochelle did a pattern review on this pattern, and that's Butterick 6944. The next pattern that I have, it's 6706. Butterick 6706. Yes. And this pattern, I also bought it for professional wear as well. And what attracted me what attracted me about this pattern, guys, I've noticed sometimes what I'm thinking and what I'm saying is actually two different things. And there are times when I play back my YouTube videos and I'm like, what? No, Pat, that is not the correct word or the correct tense. I'm just saying, sometimes it just doesn't align what's in my head and what comes out my mouth. But anyway, 6706, let's get back to the matter of hand at hand. There we go. So yes, when I first bought this pattern, I was thinking about the professional wear, and what attracted me actually is that the crossover front. I love I'm loving that look right about now. And but this pattern, I would say the views that I'm interested in, because it comes in multiple views. Um, and the difference mostly that I can see, it's the sleeve, the sleeve length, and the shape of the skirt. So view A, it's short sleeve with a A-line skirt. View C, it's a long sleeve, and not only is it long sleeve, but it more has like a, I will say, bell sleeve kind of look, and it has the skirt is a pencil skirt. And view B, um, the length of the sleeves, it's 3/4 length, and the skirt is also an A line below the knee. So view A is above the knee, and view B is below the knee. So it's a midi. So the what I was thinking about doing, because I wanted for work, I was thinking of matching views A, which is the short sleeve, with view C, with the pencil skirt. That's what that's my intention with this pattern, and hopefully I would be able to get around to doing so, because I like this pattern. I really do. The other pattern is Butterick 6316. 6316. So it's an easy pattern, and it comes in multiple views. Now this dress, it's a fit and flare dress, and it has a views A, B, and C. And the only difference I can see between the different views is that this dress has the ability to do some fabric and color matching, color blocking. And that's the difference between the views. The views A, which caught my eye instantly. And that's the view that I want to do. Yes, you have um, printed fabric at the side and a contrast fabric in the middle. Views B, the contrast fabric is around the armholes, because it's a sleeveless dress. And then view C, there's no color blocking whatsoever, one main fabric. And that's the different view. Now, when I saw this pattern, I thought about church immediately. And I saw view A, and I'm like, I can see this in a beautiful printed fabric, with the plain fabric in the middle, specifically Ankara. Yes, some nice Ankara fabric at the sides and the plain fabric at the front. You can't tell me nothing in the house of the Lord. I'm just saying. That view A. This is the view that I am going to do. I'm going to raid my Ankara fabric in just my Ankara stash, sorry, in just a few, just for Butterick 6316. Up next is Butterick 6463. Butterick 6463. Now the skill level is easy, and the view that I am thinking about is view B, which is the top. Also the jacket, the open jacket. The final pattern, we are at the end. The final pattern is Butterick 6670. 6670. And I've showed you guys this one as well. It's another lifestyle wardrobe pattern. And the view that I'm interested in doing is view A, which is the top. And the top, it has a peplum bottom. It's sleeveless, and also has buttons, not at the center front. It's more off to the side. Well, center side, I should say. And so you button it down that direction. So I am interested in doing views A and also view B, which is a wrap dress, which can also be used as a open jacket as well. So those are the two views that I'm interested in doing in with Butterick 6670. And there you have it, folks. My latest pattern haul from simplicity.com. I hope you enjoy the pattern selection that I've shared. And tell me if you have these patterns, if you tried any of them before, let me know and let me know your experience before I enter into the belly of the beast, please. Yes, yes, yes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram. Come and join me over Instagram as well and get into my other crafting shenanigans with me. Embellish Works. That's me. I hope you have a lovely day. Enjoy the rest of your week. Think lovely thoughts. Keep on smiling. And always remember to make beautiful and wonderful things. All right, lovies, I'm out of here. Bye.